guys, it's me, Lara, and I'm a guest today for
Whisper. We're at a hotel. It's midnight.
Yeah, we stayed in the boat for like 2 hours, and it was like morning. It was like really light out, and then it's like dark out. Let me show you. Yeah, I fell. Look at me outside.
And today we're showing you all of our handshakes. The phone is ringing. Wait, let's go. No, it's right here, Lara, in our room. Oh no. The phone. What do we do? I'm going out. Lara, I'm going out to see what to do. I don't know. Oh my gosh, the door is locked. It's jammed.
The phone just rang.
Ouch. I hit the door on my foot. It fell. Sorry guys, the camera just fell. The phone keeps ringing. We don't know what to do. I'm opening the door. I'm getting out of here. Oh my gosh. I'm freaked out. Okay guys, if you know what to do next time, comment down below. We're going to have to see what to do. I'm freaking out. My toe here is hurting so badly. I just hit the door. So let's just show them our handshakes.
Okay, come
All
on.
of them.
You have to hide. Come on. Okay, we're in the hotel. Okay, so here it is. I have my boo. Oh, right here.
Okay, so ready? This is our hi handshake. But pretend I just got here. So ready? Say, hi, Laura. And then we go. Oh, sorry. Spin. High five apart. Down. And now our bye-bye handshake.
Go. Wait. Now I'm messing up on this. Go.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. That's not our. We have to clap.
High five and bye. Okay, and this is our having fun handshake. Oh wait, I forgot it. We didn't pick one up. Oh.
Yes, we did. I'll show you.
You didn't ever show me that. Okay, let's just do it.
Yeah.
Ready, set, one. Wait, sorry. One. Wait, no, it's just 1, 2.
Yeah.
So 1, 2.
Wait, no, you was like this.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
So,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we high five each other.
okay, ready,
Set,
go.
1, 2,
1.
1.
Okay, this is a bad handshake. I do not know how to do it. So let's do something else. Show me.
Okay, so let's go.
No, Lara.
Yeah.
For real, Lara. I can't actually do that.
Let's do this.
Sorry, guys.
Ooh.
Disco fever. Okay,
Yeah,
so
okay.
ready, set, 1, 2, 1, 2, turn, and hip, hoppity, and high five. Oh, ow, whoa. She fell on the floor. She's cool.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I forgot
I'm gonna
about the
give you guys
whispering.
a hotel room tour, which I have to close this luggage and take it off my beautiful bed, which my mom's clothes is here, so I'm gonna put that away. Okay, so here's my
This is a
closet.
beautiful dress. Where did she get this?
I don't know, but this is my mom's dress. My dad's shirts, like the whole entire closet. Let's close that up.
I'm jumping on your mom's bed. Show me jumping. I want them to see.
No.
I can jump.
Dang, it hit hard. And this is like the bed with my ugly luggage on it. Comment down below if you like that luggage. There's my chair
Not your luggage,
here.
that's your dad's.
And then there's a pink little table here.
And then there's,
Which
like
there's
an
a
alarm
clock. And look at this beautiful lamp. And then there's another one. There's a beautiful lamp here. And like this phone.
It's the phone that was ringing. If you lift it up, then you're going to call them. Don't lift it up. Well, we
There's
should call
nothing
them
in there.
back, maybe.
No, Julie, don't touch that phone. And then there's this beautiful counter with a beautiful lamp too. And then what's in this here?
No, that might be money. No. Shh, guys, don't comment. Okay.
Okay. Oh, and there's also my room card.
Not again. Okay, guys.
I'm gonna get out of here.
I'm out of this house.
Close it. Oh no, Mommy.
Mommy.
Mama. The phone is ringing 2 times. Bye, guys.